it's your girl Ashmam. If you are new to the channel, thank you for joining me and kindly subscribe to become part of this family. I am sure you're going to love your stay, and if you are a returnee, I see you and welcome back, darling. Today I am starting another vlog. I am going to be cooking right now. It's Sunday, so I'm trying to make a Sunday meal, something very homely because I haven't done that in like a hot minute. So I'm going to be doing that. Tomorrow we are hitting the gym like I never stopped. Hitting the gym. I'm going on like a diet. I'm gonna be eating clean. I'm gonna be increasing my fluid intake. Like everything Jay is just gonna be, because it's summer. Summer is coming and we need to be looking snatched. Like my body, I mean, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you should see how my body looks. So I'm not really stressed about my summer body because it's there. But in January I'm gonna be hitting my 3-year of gym. So it's gonna be 3 years in January, and my body has to show it's been 3 years, okay? So I'm just going to be eating clean, taking in my water, being consistent at the gym, you know, like, so I'm pushing for that. Yeah, let's get to cooking.
It's done just you good. It's done just you, done just you. Just the back up. You can like with the job, but you go back to then no go catch up. Oh, ya come bear no. But so plain bear more. You go do your one time, Macbook for one time, I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk up, that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody girls have got an inshallah with them move. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question. No get the answer. Bossa, do be do. Lego sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know see what you do. See when we go get a while like Sulesu. Got to one you console. This one I bet you me, I no get time. Dada cover my face, calling me da. Biggie man way to be where what's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it going? G-Wagon, all depend. They get them, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, they must commend it. So anything when they do, I they try to do I'm plenty survive with the face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one payment. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Let me tell you, what's it called? G-Wagon, all the Bentley. They get them, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all depends. The gallon, ride the whip. I know we different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, my boat, I'm paddling. Sharashina fella, that's my bro, my family. Frozen drinks. When it comes to money, I they concentrate. Like I tell you straight, you are not my mate. If you become a chef, I'll be head of state. But my people then go say, I don't want buy, I don't want die, I don't want payment, I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. What's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all depending. The gallon, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing. What's it gon' be? G-Wagon, all depending. The gallon, ride the whip. I know we die for nothing.
Niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it over. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't 4PF, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out Sushi Sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the op, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in the figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rapping too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in him in some picture boat. They look bro, hit this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rats on the Lambo and didn't even know how to make them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look the dope. Barely fit, but don't play with me, period. Juice follow behind in the years. In the road, I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the brownies, God, the period. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with lines and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. They my last and my last, I know I can up. Count the money up, feel like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Keep the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rats, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Again, hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody. Gloss and toppers and infants for everyone. Take the roof out the collar up for the sun. I broke see his pop by 5,000 months. Got the bitch out the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. Nigga gon' run for my problems, we stacking up wallow and gualo and try get it mega book. See them drip a little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look like the new BMW. Think I'm dumb, got clothes in my right or left. So you can't go to car, ain't no key in them. Just put us in they pocket, get out of there. Ain't gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. Treat the hoe like a tire, I keep a spell. On the strap because I'm warring. Check the trunks, I'm counting more fake. Sky Skullers, Louis, and a prison. 150 client, Richard Mello. I'ma put the game into his empty. Because I'm spitting flavor to his empty. I am not a killer, but I'm telling you, I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fuck with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I can pipe her up. Make my last and my last, I know I can up.
You changed up. You don't even fucking link nobody no more.
Always felt like my vision being bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take the bar exam, I drove in the snow for you. Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Oh, you thought you had it off figure it out back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now. And you suck right now. Yeah. You thought the little effort that you put in was enough, girl. How about now? Yeah. Girl, how about now? How about now, girl? What about now, girl? How about now? Daddy's little angel. I bought your dad a bunch of shit for Christmas, he ain't even say thank you. I had no money left from acting, I was focused on the music. I used to always try and bring the CDs and my new shit. You be like, who's this? I be like, me, girl. You be like, oh, word, true shit. Then ask if we can.
Something that.
This one I better do me, I no get tired.
You can never kill my vibe, but there is no sacrifices. Everything was taken. You.
Hey my loves, hope you guys are good. I am so excited. I got myself a Christmas present. It's Christmas tomorrow and woo! Let's do an unboxing together. Let us unbox.
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time.
Comes with a adapter and a cable. And it comes with a modem as well as a card. And that is my Christmas present from myself to myself.